Hello everyone, welcome to the Construction Technology course. What we will learn today is the fundamental methods of earthwork volume calculation. Through this class, we hope to cultivate in you a strong sense of professional responsibility as future engineers, along with a spirit of craftsmanship. As we know, earthwork volume is a key basis for construction design and budgeting. Therefore, earthwork volume must be calculated before construction begins. However, because earthwork projects often involve complex terrain with irregular geometric shapes, it is very difficult to calculate the earthwork volume precisely. The soil mass is typically approximated or divided into regular geometric shapes and methods that ensure both adequate accuracy and close approximation to actual earthwork volumes are adopted. So, what are the fundamental methods for earthwork volume calculation? There are mainly two methods, the grid method and the average cross-section method. First, let's look at the grid method. It mainly has two variations. The first is the quadrangular prism method. From this illustration, we can see that the construction area is divided into several square grids with side length A. The earthwork volume V for each grid is equal to the base area squared multiplied by the average height of the four corner points. The calculation formula is V equals S squared slash the fourth multiplied by H1 plus H2 plus H3 plus H4. Here, A is the side length of each grid square. H1, H2, H3, H4 are the heights at each corner. The second variation is the triangular prism method. From this illustration, we can see that each grid square is divided along the diagonal into two triangles following the terrain's contour lines. Then, the earthwork volume of each triangular prism is calculated separately. The calculation formula is V equals S squared slash 6 multiplied by H1 plus H2 plus H3. Therefore, earthwork volume of grid squares can be calculated by the grid method, which includes the quadrangular prism method and the triangular prism method. Next, let's look at the average cross-section method. This method can be used for earthwork volume calculations in foundation pits, trenches, pipe trenches, and embankments. The calculation formula is V equals H slash 6 multiplied by F1 plus 4F0 plus F2. Here, H is the height or depth of the foundation pit. F1 is the bottom surface area of the pit. F0 is the area of the mid-depth cross-section of the pit. F2 is the area of the top surface. Finally, let's do this exercise to reinforce the main points covered today.